Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Playground.AI and signing in. Make sure you pick the plan that fits your needs. Next, create a new project and set canvas size and aspect ratio. 16:9 is common for web. Once done, choose a model and prepare your prompt seed plus any reference image. Also set sampling steps, typically between 20 and 50, because higher steps refine detail. Finally, save a quick preset so you can repeat these initial settings without restarting. Now you refine the prompt. Be specific about style, mood, and the key objects you want, because clarity directly affects results. Then tune guidance scale. Lower values give more freedom, higher values stick to the prompt, and add negative prompts to exclude unwanted elements. Use the seed field to create reproducible variations, and try image to image or in painting when you need targeted edits. As you iterate, compare outputs side by side. Keep notes on settings that worked, and make incremental changes rather than finish by exporting your best result in the format you need. Check resolution and any embedded metadata. Once exported, iterate. Adjust tiny prompt words, change the seed, or apply upscaling and denoising if details look rough. If you plan a series, save presets and maintain a version log. If things go wrong, artifacts, odd anatomy, or color shifts, try lowering sampling steps, modify negative prompts to ban specific issues, and rerun with a different seed. This usually resolves stubborn errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.